It's not blurry on my phone. Okay. All right, let's get
Hmm.
going, shall we?
Yeah.
I think we're good to go. Hopefully, Hallie, if you're out there, you can let us know in the comments, chat away, so we can make sure that you're listening. All right, so it says write a mathematical expression for the quantity described verbally. Um, the area for for a triangle whose altitude is two more um, than its base length x. All right, so Jaden, I'm gonna draw a beautiful triangle here. You can judge me all you want. Okay.
Okay, dude. You draw
Oh,
one
dude, I
triangle
missed.
and
Look, I
I'll draw
missed.
another.
I missed. Okay. Wow, yours is so much better than mine. So we got the height here. Okay.
Yeah. And in this question, height is the same thing as the altitude.
Yep. H
Okay.
equals altitude. I think that's good enough.
And do you remember what the area of a triangle is? Just the formula of
Uh,
it?
I do, Jaden. It is one
Awesome.
half.
Area equals
One half
one
base
half.
times the height.
Okay, awesome. That equals
Area.
big A for area. Okay. Um, this one, what is two more? Is that multiplication, division, addition, subtraction?
Wait, what?
The altitude is two more than its base length x. Two more means what
Oh,
in this case?
good question. When you read something and hear the word more, that means multiply. Okay, then my T vanished.
Are
Um,
you sure that that is multiply?
two times more?
Is it says two more, right? Not two
Yeah.
times more?
Yeah, two more is multiply. Jaden,
I don't know about that, Kip.
why? Explain.
Because if I give you two more of something, don't you just get two more?
You're
So isn't
absolutely
that
right.
addition?
You're right. Yeah, we got a comment from someone saying it thought it was addition, and you're right, dude. I'm slipping up already tonight. But
Hey, that's why we ask that question, is because a lot of people get confused, right?
yeah, including
Sometimes the
myself.
math language is hard.
I'm not good with the English. So more equals plus, right? Okay. So now we have this equation. Hey, yeah, get rid of that. Okay. So Jaden, maybe you should take over right now.
Okay, so I'm gonna just write area. We haven't changed the one half. That's still part of our area. Our base is still length x, right? It
Mm-hmm.
says it's x. And then we still have multiplication. I'm going to represent that with parentheses. And our altitude or our height is 2 more than x. So we just have x plus 2. Um, this is how I would probably just leave it. But if they want you to go a step further, we can distribute the x and the one half throughout the parentheses. So we could get the expression as, what would that be? One half
X
x
squared.
squared plus x.
Yeah. So just to x plus x 2x, dude. You got to throw your 2 in there.
But I distributed the 1/2 with it, right?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yep. I see what you did. Yep.
Yeah.
So let's work through that step a little bit then. Um, so
Okay.
yeah, what
Yeah,
you
that might
did,
have been confusing.
yeah. So what you did is you did 1/2 x times x, and then you did 1/2 x times 2x, right?
Right.
And so if we were to write it out, you'd get 1/2 x squared plus 2 over 2x, and that cancels out, and that's why you got what you got. And
Right.
just to clear things up a little bit here, so like you said, from that, it says that base length is equal to x, right? And then we have the,
Right.
um, I'll just say alt for altitude is equal to x plus 2 because it's 2 more than the base, right?
Right.
Um,
And yeah, that's why I asked that question about the two more, right? Because a lot of people get confused with what the English words are for multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. And I'm glad we had that little mishap with you, Kip, to make it more interesting.
I promise I know math. I promise. I'm smart. But
Sometimes
hey, you know what?
we do some blunders, right? Okay, are there any questions? Anybody in the chat want to
So, just
have
really
any
quickly,
clarifying
the
questions?
person that asked this question doesn't have access to the chat because they don't have a YouTube channel. Um, but their question is um, this. So they got 1/2 um, base and then height plus 2 is where they're getting a little confused. So the question states, if we write, I'm going to
Uh,
go up here by this triangle. It says the area of the triangle whose altitude, so h is going to equal alt, okay, for altitude. H is the height.
right,
So if I rewrite out the whole area equation, we have 1/2 base times alt, whoops, alt equals a. And then from there we can say that, so we know that it says the area of the triangle whose altitude is 2 more than its base length. So alt is equal to um, base plus 2, right?
right.
And then, so that would be 1/2 base, and then we have alt plus 2, or not alt plus 2, sorry. Whoops, made a mistake already. Um, this is base, because what we did here is, see, we plugged in the base plus 2 for where alt is, because the altitude is equal to base plus 2. And then from there, anywhere that there's base, we plugged in x for base, because it says here in the question that the base length x. So base equals x. And so from there, that's where we got this equation right here. And
Yeah.
then we simplified it. So just really quickly for those that are watching, just to explain what this question means and what this answer means, is that the base, this base, determines the height of the triangle, right? So the bigger the base, so if base,
Right,
if we had a bigger base, if this got longer, then our height would have to go up higher. And so that's just kind of what this actually represents. So every time the base gets bigger, the altitude also has to get bigger.
Yeah.
Okay. If you guys have any
All
more
right. Does that
questions,
answer the question? I think
I,
I think that deserves a solved, Kip.
dude, you think?